I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my...
Hi guys, we're going to have a look at the Hotel Bristol today. Do there, show you where it's situated, and we'll do a walk around. Okay guys, doing the Bristol Hotel today. There it is. Pool's just there. Lovely sunny day again in Benidorm. Go and have a look. Try and show you where it's situated a bit as well. It's a 4-star hotel. It's 4 stars. We know if you stopped there, it looks a really good hotel, this one. Not really had much feedback on it though. There's the original hotel this side. See where that gap is in the middle there? Not actually a gap, it's a shadow. At the back there is the old hotel, which I believe the Bristol bought out. This is right in town, this one. Oh, 2 minutes. Yeah, that's the Bristol Hotel. We're going to have a walk into town now and show you how far it is, and then I'll walk down to the beach. Show you how close you are. Come out of Bristol, you go straight down the road. You can see town coming up now. You can go down that way if you want to go down to the sea. It's probably a little bit quicker that way. Yeah, we're going to go up into town and then I'll show you how easy it is to get down to the sea. Down to the beach for all you beach lovers. It's really easy up here, you can't really get lost. There you got the main cross in the middle of town. careful, the traffic does come the other way. And you can see towns down that way. Main shops. And you've got shops down this way, obviously. There are quite a lot of people about today. This is a special day in Spain. Bank holiday. Yeah, it's ones they all go to the cemetery to visit their relatives who have passed. But yeah, really busy today. I don't know if everybody does that, but yeah, I'm going to walk down now. You just carry on down and we'll be down to sea in a couple of minutes. So you can see the Bristol is really well placed for whatever you want to do. I think it is a little bit far away. It's the strip, British strip, and the nightclub square. So if you want to stop down that end, if that's the thing you're into, yeah, you're probably better off going down the British end. A Flash Hotel, somewhere like that. Which town and beach you want. And bars, of course. Once you forget to leave the bars out. Always bars in Benidorm. Did you watch a video I did yesterday about the indoor market? Have a look at that one after we finish this one. This one. What we are going to do is a few more of these hotels to just show you where they are really. Got plenty of places to eat around here. There we are, coming to the beach now. Lovely walk there for, I don't know how long it is, but yeah, it's going to be a while down there. Going to go down that way. Probably about an hour maybe. Nice walk down the front. Here we go. Just get packed up in this corner and the other end. You can tell how, I don't know if you can see that. People in the sea swimming there. Yeah, sea can't be that cold. Quite a lot of people in there still. Not sure whether our port's been shut today or just because it's bank holiday. Maybe just because it's bank holiday. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And yeah, don't forget to watch the next one. There'll be another hotel somewhere in Benidorm. See you on the next one.